Hi, I'm Steven from Mr. Miata Racing, and today we're going to show you how to hitch up your trailer to your truck. Alright, so we're going to connect the hitch here to the truck. I have a locking pin. And we're good. So I'm using 3 locks on the trailer. Probably the best one is the Trimax wheel lock. So we already have the trailer raised high enough so the ball will fly right below the coupler. So we're going to remove our lock here, our last lock. The coupler latch is going to be opened, and we're going to back up the truck. So today we're towing with a 2024 Nissan Armada Platinum Edition, and there's a couple of things you might need to know before you start hitching up your trailers. For one, it has a good feature called emergency rear braking. However, when you're trailering and when you're backing up to hitch up to your trailer, this will automatically apply the brakes and stop the truck from reversing. Feature is good for when you're backing out of your driveway and a car is going by, but in this case we need to deactivate it. So from your main screen, okay, you're going to go to the gear and you're going to hit driver assistance, okay, emergency brake, okay, emergency brake rear, off. Okay, and we're all set to go. We can restore that back to our home screen. So the Armada comes with, of course, a backup camera and has a little projection of where we're going with in line with the hitch, which makes it super easy to line up your trailer to the truck. If you don't like that beeping sound, we can hit this button here to P, which turns off the sonar beeping. All right, so we got the ball lined up to the coupler of the trailer. We're going to start lowering our trailer. Just fit right on like that. So we got it all connected. Don't forget to latch the trailer, secure it with a pin. I'm using a padlock that I have for well, it's also parked and stored. So that's securely latched and locked down. We're going to start hooking up. So we have our 7-pin connector for all the lights and electric trailer brakes. And the Armada has the connector built in. That's connected. We're going to take our safety chains, our breakaway chains, we're going to have them crossed. They're already crossed here for me. And we're going to connect one. Connect the second one. And finally the emergency brakes. And you can take this and feed it through even a lock or so it doesn't get tangled. And then latch that. So you want to make sure that all your lights are working on the trailer, and you'll test them with your brakes, your turn signal, your hazard lights, your parking lights. So we'll just do a quick test. So another feature of the 2024 Nissan Armada has the built-in trailer brake controller for the electric brakes. So we, with the full load and the car on the trailer, I'm normally at 4.5 out of 10 that it goes up to. But with an empty trailer in this situation here, I like to keep it around 1.5 so I don't get any wheel lock up from the trailer. So the 2024 Nissan Armada is absolutely fantastic for towing. It's just built for it. It's rated at 8,500 pounds. And I can tell you from my experience that I have not had any problems ever towing with this truck. I've towed in the past a 28-foot travel camper without any problems. Of course, it's the race car, an open trailer with all the tools and gear. It doesn't break a sweat. It does have a tow mode, which obviously works with the computer programming of the shift points of the transmission, engine braking, features like that. But quite honestly, when I was towing, when I tow the race car, I don't even need that. The truck is so strong, and I'm still below the 8,500 pound limit that it's not even necessary, and it can just tow it in regular mode. Alright, so we parked the trailer and we're going to secure it with the wheel chocks so it doesn't roll away. That's the last thing you want to happen. Once I secured it, what I like to do is put some weight onto the wheel chocks. So I'm just gonna put the truck in neutral actually and just let off the brake of the truck. So there's some weight of the trailer now resting on the wheel chocks. I also find this helps when I uncouple it. It just comes off very easily, and we can disconnect everything we've done before in reverse fashion and lock up the trailer so it's secure, and we're all set to go. And that concludes how to hitch up your trailer to your truck. Thanks for watching.